Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to change the password of any account you had forgotten their password. A time might come and you forget an account's password and you might want to format your computer. Follow attentively so you may not be lost. The first thing to do is to press the Windows key +R or press the Windows key and search for Run command. In the search box you are seeing you are going to write netbealwiz and press OK. Then you are going to choose any account you want to reset and change its password. For example, I choose this account. All I have to do is to select the account, then I will also click on this button called Reset Password. You should see where they will ask you to input the new password and to confirm the inputted password. After you have finished inputting the password, click on OK to confirm. The password should be changed automatically. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.